So 2 weeks ago, I repotted this mango bonsai hopeful, and I had, oh no, mangoes don't like their roots being mucked about with, and they don't like being repotted. Well, I went ahead and I'd done it anyway. And what was the outcome, Gizzy? Well, we get a lot in there. That's the outcome. Other than my shakes, that is the outcome. She is loving it. Mango-y. We got to find a name for her, haven't we, really? Mango-y? Mango-y. Ah, I am with Mango-y. Oh, hello, Mango-y. Oh, look at that! You've got nodes coming out of there and there. That is good. That's good. But I am running out of space. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, YouTubers. I am running runnings out of space. So what are you gonna do, Gizzy? Well, I thought I'd be getting cut off out there. Possibly. Bit of load. Probably focus even. So yeah, I've been feeding it Nabucco. And it is organic. It's a Japanese fertilizer. Do you hear me whistle then when I said that? Japanese. I did that one on purpose, but yeah, it's a Japanese fertilizer, and it's natural. It's organic, so but it does go mouldy. So I sort of like, I get my forky thing. Will that be the one? And I'll just do that. I'll just break up the surface a little, just a little. Yeah, it doesn't help having it on the old turntable, but you just try and forget about that. And that's what I do. Now, you at home, you'll have a little bit more time to do this, and you'll do it a little bit more delicately. But there we go. I'm just going to stop doing that now, because I'm just going to make a mess. But yeah, and then just get rid of the mould, and you just water that in. The tree will love you for it. There you go. Oh yeah, thanks, Gizzy. But we had a problem. When I first did it, all my leaves, all the ends just started to burn and crisp away. I was like, oh no, what the F's going on now? I put it down to, well, it was out of the tropical tree setup that I've made, and the fluctuation in the heat, and it thought, oh, I don't like that. And that is why the leaves went crispy on the ends. Not because I repotted it. I don't think that whatsoever. Because, what mix are you using, Gizzy? Well, this mix is Akadama, lava rock, and pumice. And just a little bit of compost. What compost? Oh, just bloody all-purpose. Just a bloody compost. You know what I mean? Nothing special. Nothing special. But look what's happening. Oh, she'd be loving it. She'd be loving it. Look at that. But I'm running out of space, so we'll be cutting her back to possibly there. That one there. Where is that? Cool, that low. That is low, isn't it? Yeah, but you got to do it, Gizzy. Yeah, but I'd like a mango. I would like a mango on it, but it takes like 6 years till it starts producing mangoes. But I've got a few more weeks yet, I think. The bug, is it? No, good. I've got a few more weeks yet until I've actually run out of space, and I'm going to have to do the old bendy, which ain't going to happen. I will just be cutting it back. Bendy is not in the... It'll be getting cut back to there. That is what will be happening. And at least the trunk will girth up a bit more. Get a bit of light on the trunk, can we? Flying out loud. There we go. Got some. And look, it's even getting old already. You see all this gnarly older bark starting? No, that's just infection, Gizzy. No, I hope not. I think that's where it's getting old. I'm going, oh yeah, look at me. I'm getting old. Oh, there we go. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Got it in December. December it was. How big was it back then? Well, it was like that. All that's grown. What's the date now? It's like the 3rd or 4th of February. So yeah, she's liking my tropical tree setup, alright, she is. And she's bedding out everywhere. That's so oh no, it's not lemon, is it? Mangoey. Mangoey. Hello, Mangoey. Oh, hello. I'm just here to clean. It's okay, Mangoey. You're growing. Anyhow, if you've enjoyed watching this and you want to see more of Mangoey, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And me and Mangoey will see you next time. Ta-da for now. Gizzy green fingers. Pow.